Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today's topic is Python IDEs. We'll discuss about all the IDEs of Python. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Is defined as a coding tool that helps to automate the process of editing, compiling, testing, etc. In an SDLC, I'm sure you guys know about SDLC, that is Software Development Life Cycle, and it provides ease to the developer to run, write, and debug the code. It is specially designed for software development that consists of several tools which is used for developing and testing the software. There are some Python IDEs which are you can see on the screen. So these are Python IDEs. Let's talk about Pycharm, the first one. Pycharm was developed by JetBrains and it is a cross-platform integrated development environment IDE, integrated development environment, especially designed for Python. It is the most widely used IDE and available in both paid version and free open source as well. It saves ample time by taking care of routine tasks. It is a complete Python IDE that is loaded with a rich set of features like autocode completion, quick project navigation, fast error checking and correction, remote development support, database accessibility, etc. And the feature of Pycharm is smart code navigation, errors handling, powerful debugger, supports Python web development frameworks that is Angular, JS, JavaScript. Next one is Spider. Spider is an open source that has high recognition in the IDE market and most suitable for data science. The full name of Spider is Scientific Python Development. Scientific Python Development Environment. It supports all the significant platforms like Linux, Windows, and Mac. If provided a set of features like localized code editor, document viewer, variable explorer, integrated console, etc., and supports no number of scientific modules like NumPy, SciPy, etc. And the features of Spider is proper syntax, highlighting and autocode completion. Integrates strongly with IPython console. Performs well in multi-language editor and auto code completion mode. Okay. Next one is Pydev. Pydev is defined as one of the commonly used Python IDE, which is an external plugin for Eclipse. It is natural choice of the Python developers that are coming from the Java background and very popular in the market as Python interpreter. Alexander Totic is famous for his contribution to Mosaic browser, worked on Pydev project during 2003 and 2004. Pydev has a feature which includes Django integration, automatic code completion, smart indents and block indents, etc. Features: strong parameters like refactoring, debugging, code analysis, and code coverage function. It supports virtual environments, MyPy and Black Formatter. Also supports PyLint integration, remote debugger, unit test integration, etc. The next one is Atom. Atom is developed by GitHub, which is initially started as an open source cross-platform. It is based on a framework that is Electron, which enables cross-platform desktop application using Chromium and Node.js, and generally known as hackable text editor for the 21st century. And the features of Atom are: visualize the results on Atom without open any other window. A plugin named Markdown Previous Plus provides built-in support for editing and visualizing Markdown files. Wing. It is defined as a cross-platform IDE that is packed with necessary features and with decent development support. Its personal edition is free of cost. The Pro version comes with a 30-day trial for the developers to try it out. It has several features that includes auto completion, syntax highlighting, indents, and debugging. The features: customizable and can have extensions as well. Supports remote development, test-driven development along with the unit test. The next one was Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter is one of the most used IPython notebook editors that is used across the data science industry. It is a web application that is based on the server client structure and allows you to create and manipulate notebook documents. It makes the best use of the fact that Python is an interpreted language. And the features of Jupyter Notebook: supports markdowns, easy creation and edition of the code, ideal for beginners in data science. Thony. Thony is another IDE which is best suited for learning and test teaching programming. It is a software development it is a software developed at the University of Tartu and supports code completion and highlights syntax error. And the features of Thony: simple debugger, supports highlighting errors and auto code completion. The next one is Rodeo. Rodeo is defined as one of the best IDE for Python that is most widely used for data science projects like taking data information from different resources. It supports cross-platform functionality and provides auto-completion of code. And the features are: allows the functions for comparing data, interact, plot, and inspect data, autocode completion, syntax highlighter, visual file navigation, etc. Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio is an open source code editor which was best suited for development and debugging of latest web and cloud projects. It has its own marketplace for extensions. And the features of Microsoft Visual Studio: supports Python coding in Visual Studio, available in both paid and free version. Eric Python. The Eric Python is an editor which is developed in Python itself and can be used for both professional and non-professional work. And the features of Eric Python is: offers configurable window layout, editors source code folding, advanced project management capability, version control, inbuilt debugger and task management support. These are the IDEs which support Python. Right. Hope this might have clear the IDEs. Hope you guys have understood all the related IDEs to the Python. So if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me. So let's join in our next session. Till then, take care and bye bye.